A logo appears. A snowy pyramid-shaped mountain stands under a cloud-strewn sky in the distance. Stars form an arch around the peak. White words appear as the mountain fades to a silhouette. Paramount, a Gulf and Western company. A full moon illuminates a thick layer of clouds. Words appear. Paramount Pictures presents a Howard W. Koch production. Only the back fin of an airplane is visible as it moves back and forth above the clouds. The airplane ascends nose first out of the clouds at us. A title appears. Airplane. An airplane comes into view on a dark night. City lights shine in the distance.